Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and in today's video I have a special treat. We're going to be diving into the new collaboration project that I've sort of secretly been working on with Simply Nerdy Events. We now have a brand new wedding planning product line. So we're going to be diving into this new collection, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that you can find in there. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's see. I'm recording this Thursday morning, but this new product line, okay, if you hear weird little tippity taps and little crunching or like a random bowl getting moved around, the dogs are having breakfast in my office behind me because they're needy little fur babies. So if you hear these weird noises, I don't know why I keep like pointing over there, but oh gosh, they come in and out of the room. So that's what that is. They're very needy this morning. Okay, so just want to let you know what that noise was. So, okay, so this launched Tuesday morning on Valentine's Day because, February, love is in the air, wedding planning. It just seemed like the best time to share this with you guys. So I'm super excited about this product line. Look at it. First off, just look at it. So this all came about because Victoria, same name as me, from Simply Nerdy Events, tracked me down. She found me on social media and she reached out about doing a collaboration project. So she is a wedding planner, event planner for non-traditional weddings and events out of Oklahoma. So she reached out to me about doing a wedding planner and a wedding guide. So this is what we've been working on for, I don't know, it feels like forever that we've been working on this, and we're finally ready to share the first round. Yes, the first round. So if you head over to the blog, you'll find a blog post that I did on Tuesday when this went live, where it's kind of like I did like a digital interview type of thing with her, and so it's like a Q&A session, so you can find out more about her business and like how we got this started. So head over there and see that. I'll put a link in the description for this video. If you're watching this video on my blog, then it'll be there anyways, but head over there to see that. So I won't go into that fully in this video because I know you guys want to know what's inside. And we've got 4 products that we launched with. So I'm going to look. So these are our 4 products. We've got a wedding planner that's like a year-long planner broken down by the months. We've got a guide that is a full-on, super intense guide for planning every single aspect of your wedding, literally everything. And then we've got a deluxe version where they're combined into one document, so you can go back and forth in the same thing for that. And then we did a matching sticker set that's all very functional, a little bit of deco in there. And yeah, so let's look at the planner. Oh, well, look, it just happens to open up on the mood board that I created because yes, there is mood board areas in this planner. But let's look at, okay, if you tap the rings, you go back to the front. So let's see, click off. Okay. All right. So this is the front of the planner, and it was decided that we would do the Arcane Beauty theme for our first launch because, it's fun. It definitely screams non-traditional wedding planning right here, I think. So I think it was a good fit. So this is the desktop style cover. And if you're used to some of my other planners, you've seen a similar setup. A lot of you really, really like this. And one fun thing is you've got this little important notes. And this will take you to this little page. Just any random thoughts you can throw here. The washi will take you back to the cover. And then if you tap this, the paperclip, it will take you to the inside of the planner. The rings take you back out. You can... Ashley, I'm recording a video. Shh. You're not getting married. You don't care, but shush, shush. Okay, if you tap the front of the planner, you open up here. And you can click on both of our links here to take you to our website. So if you want to check out more there. And the way we have it broken down is along the side, you've got our monthly countdown to take you down to like month by month. I'm not going to give everything away because, you guys can't know everything before you buy it. But when you click on the tab, it takes you to a divider. And the reason why we did it as a divider is so that you can fill other things in this page instead of it just going directly to the calendar. It also gives you an opportunity to decorate these dividers however you want. Like if you want to store some memories here, like stuff that's going on that month. And this is kind of like a good, you could sort of use this as like a scrapbooky type of thing, memory keeping sort of thing. And then next you've got the calendar, which just these big blank boxes, plenty of room to do everything. And then over here you've got an overview and checklist. So these are things that we've started you out. Every month is like this. We've started you out with a list of things that is your focus for that month. And then room to add some of your own. So if you have some other things that need to be done, but this is like your starting. So Vicki has lots of years of experience in the wedding planning industry. So she really thought this through about what needed to be done on what months to get you there in a way that's like calming, relaxing, no stress, just, a little bit at a time. You don't need to worry about trying to do everything all up front. So this is your checklist. Then you've got this little reflection area and how are you? So you can do a little bit of journaling this month. You've got a place for additional notes, things to remember, and calls to make. So this is all like this same sort of setup is each month. I'm not going to go through each of these months because I don't want to give a bunch of that away. But you can see you've got a checklist as you count down the months, right? Then you've got a yearly section up here at the top. So once again, divider, just so you can store things in here and decorate. Here is a year at a glance with your little mini calendars. Now, this is any start, undated, so it works for Monday start, Sunday start, if you're extra weird and want to go Wednesday start, whatever, do you. But you just fill this in, and here's a little note. If you get my Any Start mini calendar kit, you can fill that in super easily. So if you get, let's see, where did I put this? I just had to reorganize all of this. So this little Any Start calendar kit, you can just grab these and then just copy and paste those onto your pages. So you don't actually have to write that in. So much simpler. But so this is your little mini calendar page for your year at a glance, place to add notes. And then there's some other pages here if you want to do like planning ahead, where you can see 4 months at a time on each page here, so that you can have like a broad overview. Oh, and each section, I forgot to mention this with the monthly, each section, whether it's yearly or these monthly ones, comes with a set of note pages. So you have a blank one. This is the square grid here, and then you've got dot grid, and then lined. So you can duplicate these pages however many times you need them. And they're just there for any extra notes if you want to do, just some scrapbooking, notes, doodling, whatever you want. There's all of these pages here. I'll show you that. Yeah. So it's like that in every single month. So you have all these extra note pages that you can use however you want. Just duplicate the page as many times as you want, and you're good to go. So we've got our yearly, we've got our counting down the months. Then we've got the wedding week. So you've got a divider here. You've got a weekly page over here that you can date and like write all your notes. You've got another kind of checklist, and then we're checking in again. So you get these same little note features. And then you also have a post-wedding. So this is the week after the wedding, where you can keep up with all kinds of stuff. Got a little checklist here. Then we've got our resource section. And each of these things links to another little resource because, I mean, duh, we're in the resource section. So you've got resource notes. This is where you can use this for anything. Duplicate this as many times as you need it. Then you've got mood board pages. So it's a blank page. It just says mood board. And this was an example I did. And we've got lots of examples. I'll have to show you more of those. I'll probably do a whole other blog post about all these different examples because my PR team has been having a lot of fun playing with these. So, and I want to do another one because it's just really fun. So then you've got mood board 2, mood board 3. This is your guest list. So this is kind of like you finalize your list. You want to keep up with it here. That's what that is. 2 pages for that. This is your budget where you can finalize all your things for your budget. And then timeline, so if you want to break everything down as to what's happening when. And then your vendor list, keep up with all of that stuff because you can't remember all that. And then page templates, so that's this tab here. So we've given you a selection of basics that you can just copy and paste these. Ashley, stop it. You can copy and I'm so sorry about her. Fur babies, am I right? Okay, so you got your basic note pages here, including this journal page that I absolutely love. So it's like photo a day, blurb a day type of journaling page for the week. So love that page. It's in there. You've got lists, check it off lists, and then we also threw in some planning pages. So you've got weekly pages and daily pages. So if there's times where like you want to really plan out more throughout the month, you can pick and choose your weekly pages and some daily pages. So whenever you need them, you can just copy and paste them into the monthly section that you need them. And so I feel like this wedding planner really has you covered on everything. So, and that's right there at the end. So that is the wedding planner. And then let's look at the guide. So, hey now. Okay. All right. So this is the guide. And this is for planning out, like if you have no idea where to start and you're planning your wedding from scratch, because this whole line is about, you know, if you don't have the ability or like the desire to hire a full-time wedding planner, then you can do this yourself with these products. So this is the cover. You've got like a little note area. This one isn't like the, Ashley, quit it. Goodness. This one isn't like the year-long planner. It's just little notes on the front cover if you need a little extra. But if you click this opens you up into the guide itself. You know, you got your usuals. And then, you know, all of our details here. And then this is a really fun thing. So we wanted to do an index that wasn't just like basic, like boring lists, right? So this is our fun index. This is everything that's in this guide. Now, obviously, because, you know, this is, you know, we spent a lot of time on this. I'm not going to show you all the details on all of these sections because, you know, we don't want to give that away. But if you click on any of these, so like if you click on this, it takes you to this page and you can go to other things in this section and you can see what's in the next section. You can go back to the index up here anywhere in the planner. So if you are in the guide, I don't want to confuse y'all. So if you go to another section, you can see previous section, in this section, next section. And so you can click on all of these things and you get lots of information. Like I said, I don't want to give too much away because, you know, we did a lot of work on this. But so this is the guide. You can kind of see, you know, what we're going with. And it's really fun. There's even a great letter here from Vicky that I love. So yeah, so this is the guide. I'm not giving too much away on it, but you get the general gist of it. And I love that, you know, the index, if you think of something, oh, well, what was said about this? What do I need to do about this? So you just go to the index and you can go to that area and you are good to go. And this little bookmark will take you back to the cover. Okay. And then for the kind of deluxe combo edition, we've pulled them both together in one document so that you can easily reference the guide while you're planning, or you can reference your planner while you're looking in the guide. So you do have the important notes area and that takes you back here. You've got the planner. It's all in here. And if you're in the planner anywhere, like let's say we're in this section here and we want to, we're looking at the checklist and we're like, oh, well, what is this about? What extra information do I need to know about this? Well, so then you can go over here to the planning guide, and now you're here. You can go to the index and go to any section you need to reference. And then from inside here, you can go back to the monthly planner. So see how they're all linked? And this takes you to the cover, just like before when it's separate, the little bookmark takes you to the cover. So this one has everything all in one, fully integrated, so you can go back and forth, however you need. So I love the combo edition, right? And then for extra fun, we've got a wedding planning sticker set. So it matches the color scheme. You've got these simple functional pieces that you can use for your planning. And then you've got lots and lots of stuff. I was like, give me a list of stuff that you need to plan a wedding and we will make some headers. Lots here. And then of course if you're in GoodNotes, I don't know about other planning apps, but like in GoodNotes, you can like crop these down and make these smaller. Like if you wanted like just like that big, or that big, you could crop those down, squish them, move them around. So this is the first page and this is the second page. So you've got months on here, some other little planning things, and then a little sampling of little deco stickers that are all very wedding-like and romantic and, lovey-dovey, because, we're planning a wedding here, people. So that's really fun. And yeah, so this is our wedding line, and I'm super excited about it. Super excited. Oh, I just love this. Okay, and if you head over to the blog post that I shared, that's the Q&A thing, then you'll get to see a little behind the scenes look at the next 2 versions of this that we're planning on. So there will be more. We have other products. We have like a whole list of products that we want to add to this wedding planning line. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I just want to say like a big thank you to Vicki for reaching out to even start this project. I'm so glad. It's just really fun. And for those of you who have already grabbed this wedding planner, thank you. I know a wedding planner is not going to be something that everyone's going to like immediately jump on. Like when I release a new sticker set that you guys have been looking forward to, or it's a new collection and you just jump on it, and it makes me so excited, But for this, you don't know if it's going to sell like immediately, if it's going to be like, oh, well, I'm planning my wedding later, or I'm not even, engaged yet, so I have no need for it. But to have already made sales in this collection already in the first week, that's just really exciting. So thank you for that. And if you have a certain theme that you would love to see for this new product line, let us know and we will make it happen. So, all right, so that's it. Reach out if you have any questions, and check out that blog post. I'll link it in the description of this video so you don't miss out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.